Hello students, I am again with my fifth video on chapter acid, bases and salt of class 10th, and here today's my topic is indicators. If you want to understand better way, then you have to see my last four videos that you can find out from my channel in the playlist. So let us start today. Today's topic is indicators. Generally, in the sense, common sense, we use indicators to indicate something. If anything indicates something, that is called indicators. But here, indicators in chemistry subject means to indicate acid, bases, and salt. Already, it is explained to you. All the chemical substances on the earth are classified in three groups. That is the acid, bases, and salts. So, let us see the definition of indicators. Indicators are substances that show whether the given solution is acidic or basic by sudden change of color or odor. So it can be detected on the basis of the change in color as well as the change in odor also. So on the basis of this, indicators are classified in three groups, that is called types of indicators. First one is natural indicators, second one is synthetic indicators, third one is olfactory indicators. So by the name it is very clear that natural indicators means naturally occurring indicators. Synthetic indicators means they are prepared in the laboratory. And third one is olfactory indicators means based on the olfaction. Let us see first one, natural indicators. So, what are the natural indicators? First, you see definition. Natural substances that show different characteristics. Characteristics means here color, like color or odor in acidic and basic medium are called natural indicators. Means they indicate different color in acidic and different color in basic medium, basic substances, basic materials, and as well as they can show the different odor also. They are called natural indicators. Here are some of the important natural indicators. And one more thing I am going to tell you, and be attentive. These natural indicators are the indicators which were used in traditional way and ancient time in India are abroad when the synthetic indicators were not prepared. So, and they are found in our kitchen also, easily available, therefore you can use whenever you want. First one is litmus. This litmus is obtained from a variety of plant that is called lichen. I think you all are aware by lichen. This is a type of thallophyta. Thallophyte, and this lichen is also one of the example of symbiotic relationship. So this litmus is obtained from the lichen, extracted from lichen. This is a purple dye. Its natural color is natural medium or neutral medium. It is purple in color. Its original color is purple. It is prepared on putting this dye in a paper strip, that is generally blotting paper, that is available in the market in the form of litmus paper, and it is available in two colors, that is the blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. You can obtain this in solution form also. So litmus is available as blue and red litmus strips or solutions. But its original color is purple. It's a dye which is obtained from lichen, that is a type of thallophytes. Color of litmus in natural medium is neutral medium is purple. Here you can write neutral also. Neutral medium is purple. In acidic medium its color is red. In basic medium its color change to blue. Second one is red cabbage leaves, a type of cabbage. Its color is red. If you take out the juice of this leaves of the cabbage and put in a natural medium or neutral medium, then its color will be red only, no change. In acidic medium also red, no change. But in basic medium it's changed to green. Third one is turmeric, very easily available in the kitchens. Everyone's kitchen it is available. Its natural color is yellow. In acidic medium also it becomes yellow, remains yellow, and in basic medium it becomes red are reddish brown. Generally, you have seen the stain of these vegetables or soups on your these clothes, and when you apply soap or detergent to clean it, then its color change from red in this yellow to red. That is reason is what? Reason is presence of turmeric in the vegetable that changes color from yellow to red in basic solution. It means soap. One thing is also clear here. Soap is basic solution. So when you put any clothes on which stain of vegetable is there, having turmeric, color is yellow, it turns red. Reason is what? Because soap is basic, and in basic solution, turmeric change to red or red is brown. So litmus is available as blue and red litmus strips or solution. In our laboratory, we generally use litmus strip. Now, this is very common and very easy way to learn how the color of the solution or the strips of the litmus paper change in different solutions. It's very easy to learn also and remember. This ABR, acid, blue, red. What it means? It means acids turn blue, litmus to red. Acids turn blue, litmus to red. Second one is BRB, means bases turns red, litmus blue. Means it's very easy to remember. Always you remember ABR and BRB. And one more thing, very common, very easy to understand. When you put any when you put blue litmus strip in any solution, and if its color remains blue, it means solution is basic. Whereas if its color change from blue to red, it means solution is acidic. Means in acidic solution, no matter you use blue litmus or red litmus paper strip, it will always change red or remains red. Same way, when you use blue or red litmus strip, but solution is basic, then the color will remain blue. Clear? Second type of indicator is synthetic indicators. By the name, it is clear that they are synthesized in the laboratory, they are man-made, they are prepared in the laboratory, they are not naturally occurring. So they are the chemical substances that show different color in different media or medium, that is acidic or basic medium. They are called synthetic indicator. Here are the two important synthetic indicators. This first one is a phenolphthalein. It is very important to remember the spelling of phenolphthalein. Generally, it is asked by teachers during practical examination viva. So correct spelling is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein. Its color in neutral medium is colorless. Acidic medium also colorless. Basic medium pink. And generally its color is pink, approx 7.4 to 8.2 pH range. Methyl orange. This is orange in color. In neutral medium, means its basic color is orange. It is available in orange color. In acidic medium, it turns pink, and in basic medium, it turns yellow. Third one is very important one, olfactory indicators. Do you know why its name is olfactory indicator? Because it works on the basis of olfactory organs, and our olfactory organs are what? Organs which can detect things on the basis of sense of smell. And the most important olfactory organ of human being is nose. So this type of indicators are especially used by blind persons, those who cannot detect color, cannot see colors, but they can detect smell. The substances whose odor varies when mixed with an acidic or basic substances are called olfactory indicators. They work on the basis of olfaction or olfactory organs, especially nose. Here, so examples are there. First one is onion juice. Characteristic smell in natural medium. Characteristic means the original smell of onion. Characteristic smell of in natural medium. In acidic medium also characteristic smell.